Second practicals, that is a different from Mohor salt because here the use of oxalic acid. So the name of practical, that is to prepare M by 50 solution of oxalic acid with the help of this solution and find out the molarity and strength of given potassium permanganate of solution. So here the find out the molarity and strength which the solution, that is your potassium permanganates. Okay, I'm going to run off this practical with your oxalic acid and KMnO4 solution. So in this their measuring flask, they have the taken the M by 50 oxalic acid and here the KMnO4 solution. And first we take your titration flask. So enter the 20 ml of oxalic acid and the equal volume of diluted H2SO4 entered in this titration flask. Now I am going to, that is the heat of solution 50 to 60 degree Celsius of temperature. So students, I am heating of the solution on the burner. It is a temperature required 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. After the heating of the solutions to titrate with your KMnO4 solution. Heating of this solution. So I am going to the run of practical with your KMnO4 solution titration. Okay. So I will take your initial reading, that is your 0. Start with your titration 0 and it is a fill with your solution KMnO4. So I am titrating this solution with your KMnO4. In this titration they have the oxalic acid and diluted sulfuric acid. Then heat up the solution and again titrated your KMnO4 solution for the till the color of change of solution from colorless to pink color. So this is the color formation of pink. And final reading is your 27. Okay students, so now again you repeated with your 3 readings or these practicals and take the volume of solution KMnO4 by using of mean method. Students, during the practicals they have the obtains the values, that is the used of KMnO4 solution volume, that is the 27.1 and 27.2, and then take your mean value volume of KMnO4 solution. So here the 27. So first calculation, that is the calculation the molarity of KMnO4 solution. So same procedure. So you can calculate the molality of KMnO4 solution. 2 that is the 2 moles of equation KMnO4 and 5 moles of oxalic acid react. Okay, M by 50 is the solution, 20 ml is the volume used, 1 by volume, that is the KMnO4. So here the substitute the value 1 by 27, it is the mean volume, and you calculate the molality of KMnO4. Second, that is the calculation of strength of KMnO4 solution. You can calculate the strength when the molality is multiplied by molecular mass of KMnO4. So this value substitute here and multiply 158 gram per liter. You can calculate the strength of KMnO4 solution. Okay student, so this is the whole about your volumetric titration practicals. Okay.